Fujifilm X-S10 Mirrorless camera with in-body image stabilization launched in market, price and specifications. Fujifilm X-S10 Mirrorless digital camera has been launched in India. This camera is part of the flagship X series from Fujifilm. Available with a variety of lens kit options, the X-S10 is aimed at beginners and vloggers. It comes equipped with a 26.1 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor, a high-speed image processing engine and in-body image stabilization (IBIS) features. The camera also features a vari-angle LCD screen that can also be flipped forward 180 degrees. Fujifilm said it is the first mid-range X-series camera to use a motion sensor retention mechanism. Fujifilm X-S10Price. The Fujifilm X-S10 camera, body only, is available at a price of 99,999 rupees. If you want to purchase it with 18 to 55mm kit lens, it will cost you 134,999 rupees, and with the 16 to 80mm kit lens, the camera is priced at 149,999 rupees. Fujifilm X-S10 features. The Fujifilm X-S10 offers high-speed AF with the X-Trans 26.1 megapixel CMOS 4 sensors, 2.16 million phase detection pixels and X-Processor 4 processor. Fujifilm claims that the camera can achieve focus in as fast as 0.02 seconds in some cases. It comes with a vari-angle LCD monitor that can rotate up to 180 degrees. There is a live view function that has 3 boost modes, including low light priority, resolution priority model, and frame rate priority. The Fujifilm X-S10 is a mirrorless camera and it features a newly developed in-body image stabilization (IBIS) mechanism that is said to be approximately 30% smaller in volume and weight than the previous model. The camera delivers 5-axis image stabilization and is claimed to be the first mid-range X-series camera to use a motion sensor retention mechanism, which is essentially a mechanical shock absorber that guards against slight vibrations that may come from the shutter unit. The camera features auto/SP, scene position, mode that automatically adjusts camera settings. When it comes to video, the Fujifilm X-S10 can capture sharp 4K videos. It also allows users to capture high-speed Full HD video at 240 fps. The company says that the camera generates 4K video from the amount of data equivalent to 6K to ensure the footage is in high resolution with low noise. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.